Welcome to Master's Hall class. I don't know how to say that. I need help. Be in your seat when the bell rings. Behave in a courteous manner. And those are not allowed in class. Birthday gum is not allowed. Move your sunglasses, hat, in class. Never to the right is public. And share with colleagues, teachers, administration, school counselors, and your parents. No bullying. Some of those might turn off and put away until I say otherwise. No heavers and ears, and the says all on or off. Not when poster and post have not been caulking. In did caulk in class. You cannot caulk in the following occasions. While I'm talking in class, and others speaking to the class, when you're working independently, and then consider your silence.